Welcome to this video, exploring the architecture of spiritual blindness and the optics of grace through the concept of the Pharisees in me. We begin with the anatomy of a prayer, referencing Luke 18. This passage illustrates how isolation, horizontal comparison, and a focus on self-achievements can create a false sense of spiritual health. This creates an architecture of blindness. By stacking our comparisons and achievements, we build a wall that hides our own underlying need for mercy from our own view. When we engage in a horizontal gaze, we judge ourselves relative to the flaws of others. This outward focus creates an inward shadow, concealing our true spiritual state. However, shifting our gaze vertically toward God dismantles that echo chamber. This light reveals our true state, not to condemn us, but to invite profound transformation. Comparing the Pharisees' paradigm with the transformed heart, we see the shift from self-sufficiency and judgment to dependence and genuine love, leading to freedom and growth. This is the cycle of grace, embracing humility, receiving mercy, and finding freedom from the need to judge, which naturally leads to genuine love. Ultimately, love begins where comparison ends. By looking upward, we see ourselves clearly and finally view others with grace. Thank you, and I love you.